How to add stop to your route in Waze. First, open your Waze app and make sure your GPS or location is turned on. Now, enter your destination in the Where to Source bar. Tap Go Now to start a navigation. Scroll down, you will see Add a Stop. Tap Add a Stop. Source for the stop location. Type in the address or name of the place you want to stop at, maybe a gas station, cafe, or friend's house. Then select it from the list. Tap Go or Add to confirm. Tap New Drive. Waze will automatically add the stop to your route and update your ETA. And also, Waze allows only one extra stop per route, so choose wisely. Maybe coffee before work or gas before the highway. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.